When you're dealing with injury, especially something like a hip or low back issue, it's easy to fall into the trap of doing nothing and hoping the pain just goes away with rest. It seems like it would make the most sense to just stop everything and avoid all pain and discomfort. But here's the truth: you have to fight to move. Rehab isn't exciting, and the progress is definitely not linear. There is no one stretch, exercise, or workout program that will solve all your problems. Some days the pain is just too agonizing that even attempting to do your mobility work feels impossible. More often than not, you will find yourself questioning if all the work you've been doing is even getting you anywhere. But those are the moments that matter the most. It's not about forcing yourself through pain. It's about showing up for yourself, even if that means doing a light stretch with some massage, myofascial release therapy, or working on your alignment and bodily awareness. These small things are what rebuild you and greatly impact your body as a whole. The problem is, most people view rehab as something you finish and get over with, but it's not. It's a lifestyle change. You have to fall in love with learning your body again, with moving again, with finding what actually helps, not just what hurts less. You will not be able to perform the same workout routines and exercises that you would normally do before injury, and that's okay. Being able to adapt and shift your focus to what your body needs now and not what you want out of it is pivotal to your recovery journey. You can't afford to skip out on movement because you're tired, frustrated, or in pain even. Each session brings you closer to finding out what works for you and what doesn't. By process of elimination, you will begin to recognize what rehab exercises you are able to perform correctly while yielding positive results, and what exercises your body can't do that only aggravate your pain. This type of data can only be gathered through experimentation and continual perseverance. I used to think resting would heal everything, that if I just relaxed, my body would reset and figure it all out. But it wasn't until I started moving, even on the bad days, that I truly began to recover and get closer to the answers I was looking for. Don't just rest, learn your body. Rehab isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. You don't need to move perfectly, you just need to move consistently. That's how you rebuild strength, confidence, and trust in your body again. And the thing is, no one can do it for you. No one else knows or will ever understand your pain like you do. That's why you have to fight to move, to not give up on your body, to remind yourself that healing is possible. So if you're in pain right now, frustrated with your recovery, keep showing up. Be patient with yourself. Be proud of how far you've come already, even if it doesn't feel like much, because every step forward counts in this journey. If you enjoy this style of content and the message resonated with you, comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this. And remember, keep fighting to move.